Julius, how you doing, dude? I wanted to really demonstrate the body of work and the results that we've got in a really short span of time, and to also apologize for not sharing this with you sooner. That's really been my bad. I'm in Starbucks right now too, but I wanted to share this with you. So first of all, these are kind of just the highlights. Last 30 days versus the previous 30 days. 25% increase in organic traffic, 11% increase in transactions, a 16% increase in revenue, right? Google Search Console is beginning to recognize you as a site in the CBD space. 150 additional clicks, 1,800 impressions, a 3.9% average increase. Your Ahrefs score has improved by almost 400k places. Those links that we build, not just the ones that you sent us content for, but the links that we're building, have led to an improved basically Ahrefs score, right? Then also an increase in your referring domains, and also an increase in referring pages. Okay, so that's kind of the stuff that we're doing on our side. So this is, dude, all this stuff does help. Like, you've got your rankings here, improvement. You know, there's these keywords, and then there's all the variations around it that, you know, relate to the longer tail. So we've got guest blogging. We're still waiting for a couple of those to go live. Profile creation does help. It really does. Social bookmarking, citation, submissions, ads, forum submission, and let me just move my head. I think that is all of it indeed. So then, you know, there's this component of it, and then, dude, the email outreach, dude, is significant, right? We've got brand mentions. This is your stuff. We've got email outreach guest posts. We've got positive responses and the negotiations and the back and forth, and then we've got, you know, kind of the login details for the account that we're using to reach out, like email, personal email. Gmail does work well when you do email outreach, and we're using Lemlist for the outreach. So what I wanted to demonstrate, dude, is that, you know, stick with us, mate. The other thing that I wanted to add is that we did 6 this month because we were getting a lot of these things set up and infrastructure in place. My plan kind of next month, if I'm being very honest with you, is to move from 6 to 10 of the actual, like, guest posts on this side of it. Assuming you can provide content, I'll do the negotiations, I'll break them down, I'll get into the 10 places. We'll also do this stuff. And I hope that you see, really, dude, that, you know, ROI is the thing that you're looking for, and that we're a team worth working with. And again, I apologize for not sharing this data with you sooner. So I hope that makes sense, dude. I would love for us to keep working with you, and I do think that we've got a demonstrable ROI, and that really it's a case of understanding, well, what level of profile links, what level of citations, which sites should we, you know, reach out to, and then what the ones that respond, how should we balance it? And this is why we've got, like, the awards that we've got, and we're getting great responses. And Samil and the team, dude, I've spent a long time training them, working with them. They've also taught me a lot of things, and we've got a really, really good team here, dude. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that you continue with us. I'll leave this with you, man.